If you want to optimize ads effectively on Meta, then you need to make sure that you're tracking the right conversions. Setting up events has never been easier, so stay tuned to this tutorial and I'm going to show you how to use Meta's Event Setup tool. First, you'll want to open Events Manager and then select Data Sources. In here, you'll see the pixel that should be connected to your website. Select Settings and scroll down to the Event Setup tool. Then enter your website URL. The Event Setup tool will open as a widget on your site. You'll see in the widget all of the events that are currently set up. To track a new conversion, first select Track New button, then select the button that you want to track. From the widget, you can then select the event type which best correlates to your conversion. In this case, we've already tracked everything we want to on this page, so we're going to move straight into the Buy Tickets page. Here we want to track the Add to Cart button. From the drop-down, we select the event which best matches, which in this case is Add to Cart. We want to choose the value on the page itself so that we can associate a monetary value against this action. Once we're happy with the event setup, we can select Confirm. We can then move further through the website to continue to set up tracking. Moving on to the checkout page, we want to track the button for adding payment information. In this case, the most relevant event is Add Payment Info. Finally, select Finish Setup to view a summary of all of the events that have been added.